It's 2 a.m., the room's too quiet. Your side of the bed still cold. I keep reaching for you in the dark, like muscle memory won't let go.
Your t-shirt hanging on the chair still smells like yesterday.
If loving you is all I know, what happens if you walk away?
Don't say the words, don't let them fall. I'm barely standing as it is at all.
How do I breathe if you're not here?
How does my heart keep time?
If you let go of my hand tonight,
who am I gonna be without mine?
if you turn around and close that door
and leave me in this place,
tell me how I'm supposed to live
with your echo in my space.
Stay,
just stay.
But it's not you, and every silence feels loud. I play our song just to feel something, but it only breaks me down. You were the calm in my chaos, the rhythm in my chest. If you take your love away, what's left of me is less.
Don't look at me like we're done.
I'm not ready to be no one. How do I breathe if you're not here? How do I close my eyes if you pull your love away from me? How do I survive if you walk away and don't look back? And I'm just yesterday. Tell me how I'm supposed to live if you if we're still breathing,
it's not too late.
You're the only truth I've known. Don't make this house a home alone. How do I breathe if you're not here? How do I